I'm muted. Chat, hope you guys are all good tonight. Hope you guys are all doing great. Oh my god, OBS is insane. Boom. The music is really loud. What's going on, Anton? How's your server? Things still smooth? Okay. Can remove this. How you doing, dude? Okay. This is like such old code. I don't even know if I wrote this. Lack of mass testing. Well, that's good. It's always scary, you know, like you've been working on something for so long, and then you like it's like none of it's been tested with 100 players. Like I've tested with maybe 20, you know, and like we haven't even tested everything. So yeah, I'm glad it worked. Like it's you know, and there hasn't been that many aux core servers either to be like, is the framework going to handle it smoothly even, you know? But that's good. I'm happy for you guys. That's awesome. Okay. Yeah, of course, man. Yeah, that's got to be a huge relief. Yeah, I'm happy for you guys. How's Paradym? Paradym's good. It's been kind of a struggle having regular people working on things, so it's kind of led to production kind of like going fast for a couple weeks, and then like we slow down for a couple weeks, and it speeds up again. So it's all over the place, but slowly we're getting stuff done. I've been working on everyone in Meat Club is talking about those moving props, Sieb's moving props, and I decided to give it a shot. What is it? Start prop. Let me get an elevator prop, actually. Let me find one. Give you a little preview here. Okay. I think this should work. Obviously just for dev, but
You owe me $20.
what's going on, Lint? Look at this gorgeous man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at yourself, you mean. So this is all nice and smooth. Link can tell you he was in last night trying it out, but it's all client-sided. No network props at all. So that feels pretty good. Gotta say it feels pretty good. How are you tonight, Lint? Don't worry about the nav meshes. We're not going to talk about them. Thank you. All right. So the plan tonight is we need the ability to easily spawn pets on the client in a really uniform way without having to write all this boilerplate every time. So we have a knockoff auxlib that we run internally, and it just has some stuff that is a little too sussy to try and PR. In the staff secret call? Damn, dude. What's the meeting about? Oh, it's a secret. Okay, sorry. My fault. Mm-mm. Okay, so I think this should This should work okay. Tom is a face cam now. Thank you. I've had one, I just wasn't using it. You know? I don't like that this is in the way so much. Okay, so I think that if we... I wasn't expecting this code to be here. I forgot I wrote it. So, I guess we'll just try it.
Hey, how's it going? Yeah, that sounds great.
How are you guys doing tonight? How's the admin menu? I'm excited. I'm excited to work on that. Jack's designs are very... I mean, they're not designs yet, but like the mood boarding is very nice and organized. Very good. Anyone use cooking? Get in here. Get in where? Jack said he loves me. Thank you, Jack. So good. There he is. What's up, Jack? You guys will be so happy. We're also live on another somewhere else in like vertical. We're live in vertical, which is kind of nuts. I'll post the link in internal. I'm not going to post it on here because that's, I feel like, how you have a bad time. But yeah, we're on our marketing shit. We're on our marketing shit today. Okay, I think that video should work. We did that. You know, we did that, so we'll see how it goes, you know. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so do we have Paradym lib is okay. So then what is my Jack just oh man. I mean, hey, Roblox is really popular right now. They're doing good. The company's doing good, making good decisions. So that's good. It's a good time to be a Roblox fan, you know. No stigma. Nothing. Nothing but good times. You know? $10 a day minimum. Okay. I can't imagine why. Why he might. Why did I make this so complicated?
What do you want now? Oh my God, an accident. Is the Uber marked okay?
Did I do this right? Paradym. Oh, it's ParadymPeds.new. They're telling the truth? Okay, I thought so. I had a feeling they were. Okay. I feel like Past Me made this code a lot more complicated than it needed to be. But maybe he didn't. But maybe he did. And then there's also no cleanup in here for when a resource stop. Good.
Hey, what's up?
Okay. And did I... Oh, I did write the type. ID is just gonna... We'll just string random. You know what? Actually, we're gonna be very intentional here. And... Where's my... I think it's further up this way. Yes. Okay. Now this isn't really gonna make sense right now, but it's not supposed to, you know? It's like it's okay. Yeah, you know what? Honestly, this is good. This is a good spot. Little foreshadowing, you know, a little foreshadowing. Something. Okay. So yep. Okay, let's get us a armored truck guy. I was actually doing some research earlier. I think I did find a pet. Look at that. Okay, we'll do something silly here. Yep. Do you not have both chats together? You know what? You might be right. Yep. It didn't load them, the other one. Does anyone want to try again? I'll, OG. Thank you, Lint. I can't believe I overlooked that, man. Man, I can't believe I overlooked that. Okay. Let's try to follow you, but I got an error. You should be following me, but I did change my username. NT Lime, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Oh, I see what happened. The alerts fell off. Okay. What is going on, Dragon Diaper? Welcome to the stream. Hello. Okay. Can I... How's the music? Is it too loud? Or is it okay? Alright, can I... Oh, can't replay it. Okay. Yes, yes, joking. Oh, I see. You're a comedian. You can't hear it? Uh-oh. How about now? You were too funny, meme. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's get the caps off of here. I don't want to camel case these commands. All right. Sure, polib test. Wait, are we, before I bash my skull? Yes, we are. Wow, look at this. It's a miracle. That's great. That's just great. Nice shirt. Thank you. Move my chair. My chair fell. My chair went too far back. Can you still not hear the music? There should only be music in one place. And that place is purple. You can hear it quietly. Okay. How's this? No offense, but you're kind of really handsome. Thank you, Dragon Diaper. You're too kind. Oh, shit. He just quit, just like that. He said, So I will not be harassed in my private domicile, and he left. Okay. So clearly, I'm not doing something. It's tastefully low. And just on here. Okay, does that mean it should be louder or what? All right, what are we doing in the garbage garage? Set blocking of non-temp. Is that what we're doing? Are we? Ooh, I did not mean to split those. Depends on how loud. I don't really want it that loud. So I guess we're good. Okay, the blocking of okay. Okay, and then do I have a method to make them stoic? No. But they're all going to be stoic, so what the fuck does it matter? What the fuck does it even matter, you know? Okay. Okay. Alright, dude. You shouldn't be doing that. You should be... okay. Should be the... But they're frozen in position, man. They should all be blocked. You shouldn't move. Alright. Let's try it again. Oh, I know why it's not updating. That's why. That's not why? Oh. Okay. Actually, I think it is why. I think I'm just dumb. Yeah, and then what's the render distance like on this guy? It's pretty good. Yeah, I'll make it just a little higher, and then I think the 80, that's fine on a pad 80. And then just turn my game volume up a bit. No, that's way too loud. Okay. So he should. Should say something. You should be saying something, man. Someone farted really loud and the Wi-Fi went out. That can happen, yeah. A lot of people don't know. Okay. Tom, just okay. I might have to skip this song. I'm just gonna be safe. Just to be safe, you know. Okay. Did you actually miss a fart? No, he's just getting excited for nothing. Don't piss me off. Sorry. Sorry. Okay. So all the freezing is good. All right, let's see if this actually works at all even. I don't know if this guy has speech. Hmm. Oh, PRBM. Yeah, maybe this guy just doesn't have speech. Maybe I can find another pet model that has audio. Oh, hold on. Hold on.
I almost got your wallet.
Oh, chat. Do we hear that? Listen.
Nice. Hello, stranger.
Chat, do we like this?
Nice. Sup?
We love immersive.
I almost got your wallet. Later.
Juicy? Okay.
Sup?
So show up to work at the first day at armored truck. This dude's like, sup. All he says to you, he says, sup. Get in the truck. That's good.
Sup?
Sup. He's like, sup.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah, whatever.
Hello, stranger.
I think that's good. And then like, you don't have to worry about, you know, is this like a guy? It's like, yeah, he's a guy. Clearly a guy, you know. He speaks to you. He says hello. He says sup. He didn't just say hello. He says sup. So it's like, obviously he's a guy, you know. Like, don't be fucking stupid. You know? Me when I'm a guy, I'm like sup. No, that's it. So, obviously I'm a guy. It's so obvious you're a guy that obviously you're a guy. And then
Later.
I'm kind of conflicted about putting the job vehicle here because, like, I don't want people to think this is a drivable job vehicle. But
Sup?
but I also want it to be like this. Obviously, like, it's not going to be Los Santos Bagco. We're in the middle of changing the map, but it's not. Yeah. I don't know. How do we feel about the truck? The truck just being here.
I almost got your wallet.
All right.
Later. Sup?
Sup? He says sup. Yeah, I mean, where's I'm like sup. Obviously, I'm a guy. I don't know where a drop off would be in here. Any ideas? I kind of don't want them to have to go through this door. You know? Maybe we just put a guy right here.
I got my eye on
Wrong
you.
way. He's like, sup.
Hey, Earth to moron.
Guy's serious.
Thank you. You need to wake up.
This is kind of nice, guys.
Take a look in the mirror. Hello.
Hello. That's cool. He's a cool ass dude.
Take a look in the mirror.
I feel secure. I come in here, I feel secure, you know? Feel nice and secure. Can I use these? Oh my. I sure can. Yeah, I don't mind that. You know what? I don't mind that one bit. I don't mind that one bit. Okay, so next step is going to be animating. We'll have to animate these guys so they can do stuff. That's all I can think of. Any ideas? So if we try set up entity function ped play anim. We'll just do nil so we can false it, and typing will be kind of weird, but if not, self.anim data, then turn that in. We'll even okay. So this is going to oh. Well, this changes everything. I wasn't even considering that we could be doing scenarios here too. That didn't even cross my mind. Now I feel silly. To be honest with you, now I feel kind of silly. Okay, you know what? I'm not even gonna... Okay, so... Scenario. Okay, sorry, I was looking at documentation chat. Hope you guys are all having a wonderful Friday. What the fuck is wrong with this? Oh. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. Okay. All right, then we'll just put some safety in here. Looking good. And then...
Shalom Aleikum. It's nice to see you.
There we go. And I don't think scenarios need to be requested. Chat, does anybody know? I feel like they don't need to be. You're not a knower? Okay. I don't think they do. I don't think they do. It's like a lot of times if you're trying to spawn something or like play an animation or whatever, you have to kind of like pull it off the disk and like load it into memory or video memory, and some things you don't, a lot of things you do. And if you don't do it, sometimes the game can crash or like just nothing happens and it's frustrating. So okay, and then it's gonna be self was it, we're gonna do, it's what, anim data dot, and then well, that'll be a table of we just do like anim dict and then flag. Is that all we need? I think 5,000 should be enough. Oh my goodness. On chat. Okay. They go at -8. Is it 8 or -1? I can't remember. We never want to lock. And we never want to lock. And then... What the hell's wrong with this? It should be the flag. Flag is 0. Oh, I have an extra false. That's... No, I don't. What did I miss? Head, dictionary, name, blend speed. Yeah. Blend speed and then durations looped. The flag is there. The playback rate 0. Malformed at number? Oh. I see. And then... Let's see. Okay, and then... Class... Close anim data. Field, it'll have a dict string, it'll have a and a string, and it'll have a field flag, which is a number. And then this should fix the typing errors. Okay. If not, self.animdata.dict or not self.animdata.anim or not self. Should be grabbing my type from here. I'm trying to feel like, where is it getting this from? Because it's nil, but it's like... But we should be returning here if there's no anim data. Is that just Lua LS being funny? I don't know. I don't think it's really going to matter. I think this code will be fine. All right. Okay, and then... All right. I think we start and we do the easy peasy. Okay, I forgot to make anim data optional. All right, now it should chill out a little bit. Yeah, okay. And then we're going to call this scenario data equals... Is there nothing else that goes with the scenario? I guess not. Okay, cool. And then... Okay, awesome. Then scenario is going to become... And I just want to get this world human clipboard. Rock on. So scenarios are kind of cool because they're like animations, except animations don't come with props hooked up to them. So like if you're trying to do an animation of like someone holding a coffee cup, for example, you have to like offset find how the coffee cup like fits next to the hand. So it's like rotated. It's a big pain in the ass if it's not done already. So scenarios have props built into them, just you can't configure them. But I mean, a lot of the times they're kind of just like generic behavior, like holding cups, sitting in chairs, you know, kind of basic stuff. So that's pretty cool.
So we
Okay.
got a
Oh shit! Yeah,
phone.
look at that. He's got his clipboard. Fuck yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so I think this should be good. It's like, no, you know what? No. No, you know what? No. You know? No. I think this is fine like this. I think we can just leave this like this. It's fine. Which is great.
I got my eye on you.
Let's go his eye on me.
So
Okay.
Hi.
So we've got that. I think that's kind of everything I'd need. I don't know if I should put a thing to register the interacts on them already. They're not going to be made a config file. They're going to be like, all these are created at runtime. So I don't know if it's even worth putting that on. Maybe I'll just start making a job and then we'll see how it goes. So I'm going to, let's commit this stuff. Okay, FiveM.
Hey Matt, this is Lisa.
Okay, and then that pushing.
We met at the bar last night.
Actually, you know what?
You don't even
Feet.
remember? We had sex in your car. Love your ride, hon. I can't believe it. You don't even remember.
Yeah, epic. Okay. So that part of the jobs is all good. Okay. And then I just need to see where's Chris. Chris has been working on a separate branch for me. So where are his changes? Because he not here at the moment. So. Oh, fuck. Hold on. Hold the fuck on. We're restarting my server real quick. We have to check this chat. You might be getting one of the first walkthroughs live of Dwayne 3D's apartment building. And if that's not cool, I don't know what is. You know? So, what I'm going to do while we wait. Perfect. Perfect. I love when things work out. Okay. And then W Streamer, thank you. So the pet part's pretty good. I sat down with Gunhill today for a while and we kind of talked about like how do the jobs look? What are we going to see for the first round of jobs? Actually, I can give you guys a little sneak peek of this. Yeah, this is going to be the eventual building. And it's in the same spot where I'm at right now. I'm here, but just the map's not in. Or maybe it is. Hold on. Maybe I do have the map. Let me see if I have the map because I might have the map. I might have the map. Let's see. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Maybe it's just in maps. What would that be? City civilian. Geo's maps are. Oh, we just have the emanations. Respectable, respectable. I think he's gonna be working on them next week. I mean, they're already like kind of there. What am I doing down here? Don't worry about it. Okay, chat. I'm just gonna. I have to pick something up off the floor. So I'm gonna be out of frame for a moment. You know. So just don't worry about me. Not in the frame. My forehead. I'm not. Oh, perfect. I just found it. Perfect. Oh my god. I just found it just in time, just then. Oh my god. I'm just so happy that I was able to find it. Sometimes you can't. Sometimes you can't, you know? Okay. Also, chat. What do we think about this? What do we think about what do we think about this? I'm just gonna move so you guys can see it. Look at this. Look at this. There's no spinner. There's no spinner here. How's that possible? There's always a spinner. How do we get rid of the spinner? We just did. We just did it. Okay. So I'm so excited. Forgot about the music. Oh my chat. Holy fuck, this looks good. Chat. Holy, this is actually insane. This is actually insane. With the window? With the window? Okay. What the? We got to make the wall a little thicker here, you know? But this makes it oh wow. You can This is so fucking sick, chat. Chat. This is so okay. This is so good. You could watch a store robbery from the apartment hallway. Oh, popcorn. But oh my god, look at that. And it's like you can look outside, you can immediately tell how high up you are, you can immediately tell what building you're in. Oh my god, dude. And the lights are done too. Holy! This is too crazy. Dwayne 3D, man, you are crazy. That's so. Oh, the units! It looks so good. This looks so fucking good. Oh my god, dude. Yeah. This extra wood in here really like. I know, me neither. I've been oh shit. I've been waiting to RP for a long time. It hasn't really been anywhere good. Anywhere good to play on. Anywhere I've worked on has been butthole. Not because I worked on it, but anyways. Anyways. Oh my god, dude. That's a fucking sneak peek. That's a fucking sneak peek. Boom. You saw it here. Okay. Brace yourselves. If you're wondering why I'm crouching, it's my keybind. For window. What the hell is that? Hmm. Okay. Dude, this looks so crazy. I actually can't believe this. Yeah, this might be honestly the craziest thing ever. It's too insane. I did some research. I don't know how to fix that fucking bug. I have no idea what to do. Besides, like, if you sit still, you get forced out of first person, or you get forced out of crouching, and neither sound very good. But I don't know what to do otherwise. I've been thinking about it. That's way too cool. Oh my god, Dwayne 3D, man, you are too crazy. Yeah, dude. Oh. Yeah, so I got a little more work to do on this thing, and then I think we might be ready to like start working on the apartment system, but I kind of want to get the admin menu done first. So it's probably going to be like my next project. After I get this job done, job or two, I might do two jobs. I don't know. Question for you guys though. We need a location for a gardening store. Right? Not necessarily just a store, but like potentially like a job, but like it's not like you don't work at the gardening store. It's like it's a gardening job. I had a shower idea today and I want to do it. Yeah, it's like imagine a mix of this and it's like you do this and then some like, but please make it work. I'll try. I will certainly try. Interesting. Okay. Yeah, let's get those changes merged in here. Okay. So let's see. Need to get all of changes here. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, awesome. The new apartment interior should be on test probably tomorrow. Have it on test tomorrow. Okay, I think the rest of this is... And then... Don't make me stash. Don't make me stash. Nice.
Don't take no offense, mamacita.
Okay, so this is the jobs.
I just want to take a bite out of you, baby, and dip your ass in peanut butter. For real, chica. Let's hang out, man. I'll bring the dipping sauce.
All right. I want to refresh. Cool. Okay, so runs off. Okay, so if I'm doing this right, just gonna test this out by myself, and Chris showed me that it works well, but I just want to figure out all these commands. I haven't really code too much yet. So let's hop in the server again. Okay, let's I'll keep this one mostly normal. The HUD's gonna start looking kind of weird, but don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. And don't worry about why this image isn't loading. Doesn't matter. My computer is not loving this right now, but you know what? We're getting by. So let's make you tiny. Tiny little guy. And some tiny as well. Okay, we're actually... The game's running. Okay, this is insane that we're doing the stream and 2 games. That's crazy. Okay, so... Okay. Did not consider this part of it. But, you know, maybe it's fine. You're right. So then we should do... Good job. Okay, so I'm in a... That put me in a group. It's kind of hard to see because like the phone got cut off. And then... let's bring this Tom over here. Okay, awesome. And then he is ID 2. Okay, and then John Pork is now in. Perfect. And Chris, oh, you can remove the link player joined event. Okay, cool. How's it going, man? Christopher. This is working great so far, dude. Okay. So you're in bed? Nice. This is like a lullaby for you. I like that. How? I'm actually goated. Yeah. No, you were right. You were right. So how do I do the job? I think I've turned my settings down while I'm streaming. I'm sorry, everybody. Start job, but go to the grind spot. Oh. Is there a... Okay, so I have to go to grind. I see. Oh no, I cannot do that while I'm streaming. I see. Okay. Hmm. Where's the start job command? It's registered client. Or start. What does that say? It just doesn't do anything. It just does the command and then there's nothing in the server, nothing in the client. But yeah. Oh, I didn't even think how it looks Oh, because I shrunk it. Uh-oh. Restart cruise. Or yeah, good idea. Okay. Should I leave the group on the phone? It's probably fine. New name. Yeah, just a new username. I want to be a little more secretive. How are you doing? I want to be more secretive, so I put my camera on. It just hasn't updated. Or you're so right. How have you been, Miss Crazy K? Okay, so we're gonna do create job. Start job. Just create job again. Okay. Current job must be returning now. Yeah, maybe. Okay. So we're doing create job. Creating routes for job. Remaining items after distribution. All right. You've been okay. Stop gaming for the most part. Just that's good. That's good. How have I been? I've been coding. I've been coding a lot and camping and that's about it. You know, lots of that. And yeah, just keeping busy. Keeping busy trying to crank this thing out finally. It's been long enough. The cruise sync event handler. Okay, in cruise. In jobs. Sync client. Love the apartments. Good. Yeah, I was actually like creaming over them. They look insane. Backseat coding. Watching a YouTube short stream is crazy. Yeah. Dude, we're doing it big, man. We're doing it big here. Okay, so if current job, but if there is, if current, but that's only if server data metadata current stop. You know, server data metadata current stop. So, am I me? I would never do such a thing. Come on. You know? But if I was, it would be vertical. It'd be vertical. You know, that's all I'm saying. Never. Nope. Okay, so did you see the elevator preview? I've been working my butt off on that for a while. The function's just defined to decrease repetition in the event. I see. So and we're not getting clearing job or anything. We create a job, it creates routes, distributes the items. I spent some time today, Chris, brainstorming the jobs. So we got you guys here, official tally that we're going to be busting out. We've got gardening. We've got sanitation. Group 6. We'll have grind. And then there's like food delivery. That's it. Taxi is going to come a little bit later. After we do some crime stuff, we're going to put taxi in. We got lots of cool ideas for how like the jobs are going to kind of like be samey but differenty, and how the mechanics are going to kind of work. I got it all like penned out. Not really coded, but just kind of like rough ideas how we could kind of, you know, like do the checks, do the sec, do the whatever, you know. So should be beautiful. Okay, so where should we be checking to see if you know, if you know. Chris, welcome to the stream, man. Good to have you here. Yeah, Dwayne, honestly, you're crazy for that. Go to the server console when you create job. Okay. Also GUI here. Failed to start job? Okay, we're making some progress. That's different. Modules, common, server classes, mobile job. No value, local depot. Amazing. Okay. Go to the routes file. Depot. Oh, I see. The depot is a vector. It doesn't have chords on it, just a vector. The amount of coding on screen is so overwhelming. Like I'm looking at hieroglyphics. Well, this is just me like picking through Chris's code, you know? It's not even my code. But honestly, they're nice. They'd be nice and similar. Though, it would look like hieroglyphics too, I think. Thank you. Okay, we're gonna... Dude, holy... My computer's not liking this. No, it is because this is the depot and the player's action. Okay. Which has a different data structure. Okay. I'm putting it back. So... Oh. It's airing? Yeah, it's right here. I wonder if we could just do... Because, like... The, Lua 5.4 and, like, FXV2 OWL, that only affects natives. So I think that we can just pass the vector. It shouldn't matter, but... I'm gonna try quitting the game on one of these, because like my computer, to be honest guys, to be really honest with you, my computer is